kayo rito, just to let you know, nandito yung office namin ng Advitol International trademark by Guerrilla Trading. Ayan po, we invite everyone to ask our counselors to schedule their visit here kasi kami po ay naka-work from home mostly. Naanyayahan po namin kayo na kausapin mo ng mga counselors namin para po ipagpaalam kung kami pa ay mag-duty dito or hindi. Kasi meron lang kaming virtual co-working space.